नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस अंडर द फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we will discuss some questions on equation of first order and the higher degree. First question, solve d2y over dx square minus 4y is equal to e to the power x plus sin 2x. For the solution, it is given that d2y over dx square minus 4y is equal to e to the power x plus sin 2x. This can be written as d square minus 4y is equal to e to the power x plus sin 2x. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 is equal to 0. This is m plus 2 and m minus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2 comma 2. So CF can be written as C1 e to the power minus 2x plus C2 e to the power 2x. Now Pi is equal to 1 upon Fd into Q is equal to 1 upon d square minus 4. This is e to the power x plus sin 2x. This is e to the power x upon d square minus 4 plus 1 upon d square minus 4 into sin 2x. Again d square replaced by a, so this will be 1 upon 1 square minus 4 into e to the power x plus 1 upon minus 2 square minus 4. This is sin 2x. This is equal to minus of e to the power x upon 3 minus sin 2x upon 8. Hence the complete solution is y is equal to CF plus Pi, means complete solution associated with particular integral. Then y is equal to C1 e to the power 2x plus C2 e to the power minus 2x minus e to the power x upon 3 minus sin 2x upon 8. Now the next question, if d cube y upon dx cube minus d2y upon dx square minus 6 dy over dx is equal to 1 plus x square, then find its solution. Given d cube y upon dx cube minus d2y upon dx square minus 6 dy over dx is equal to 1 plus x square. It can be written as d cube y minus d square y minus 6 dy is equal to 1 plus x square. So the auxiliary equation is m cube minus m square minus 6m is equal to 0. From this expression m is common, then m in bracket m square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. This is m in bracket m minus 3 and m minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives m is equal to 0 comma 3 comma 2. So the complementary factor can be written as C1 plus C2 e to the power 3x plus C3 e to the power 2x. Now Pi is equal to 1 upon Fd into Q. This is 1 upon d cube minus d square minus 6d 1 plus x square is equal to minus 1 upon 6d in bracket 1 upon 1 minus d cube minus d square upon 6d. This is 1 plus x square. Now is equal to minus 1 upon 6d 1 plus d minus d square upon 6 to whole power minus 1 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 6d. Now we open by 1 plus x to the power minus 1. This is 1 minus d square by 6 plus d minus d square to the whole of square by 36 minus and so on 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 6d in bracket 1 minus d by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 upon 36 d square plus and so on 1 plus x square is equal to minus 1 upon 6d in bracket 25x upon 18 minus x square upon 6 plus x cube by 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 108 in bracket 25x minus 3x square plus 6x cube. Hence the solution is y is equal to C1 plus C2 e to the power 3x plus C2 e to the power minus 2x minus 1 upon 108 in bracket 25x minus 3x square plus 6x cube. Now the question, solve d square minus 2d plus 5 y is equal to e to the power 2x into sin x. We can write the auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. Hence m is equal to 1 plus minus 2i. This is pi is equal to 1 upon fd into q is equal to 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 5 into e to the power 2x into sin x. Again this can be written as e to the power 2x 1 upon d plus 2 to the whole of square minus 2 into d plus 2 plus 5 into sin x. E to the power 2x 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 5 into sin x. This is e to the power 2x 1 upon minus 1 square plus 2d plus 5 into sin x. This is e to the power 2x 1 upon 2d plus 4 into sin x. This is e to the power 2x upon 2 d minus 2 upon d minus 2 d plus 2. This is e to the power 2x upon 2. This is d minus 2 into sin x whole upon d square minus 4. So e to the power 2x upon 2 in bracket d minus 2 sin x upon minus 1 square minus 4. This is e to the power 2x upon minus 10 in bracket d of sin x minus 2 sin x is equal to minus of e to the power 2x upon 10 in bracket cos x minus 2 sin x. Hence the complete solution is y is equal to c1 e to the power x cos of 2x plus c2 minus e to the power 2x upon 10 cos x minus 2 sin x. Now the next question, solve d2y over dx square plus a square y is equal to cos ax. The given equation can be written as d square plus a square y is equal to cos ax. Now the auxiliary equation is m square plus a square is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus minus I into a. Now CF can be written as c1 cos of ax plus c2. So the pi will be 1 upon fd into q. This is 1 upon d square plus a square into cos ax. This is equal to x upon 2a sin ax. Hence the complete solution is y is equal to cf plus pi, that is y is equal to c1 cos of ax plus c2 plus x upon 2a sin ax. Thank you.